Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about OneFootball Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop, how to complete tasks step by step. So if you are really interested, keep watching and we will start after the intro. Hello and welcome back. If you want to join OneFootball Airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. Copy that link and then open my browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page, and if you want to join this airdrop, click on sign in the top right corner. If you didn't find this button, try to turn any kind of VPN and then refresh the page. Now let's click on sign in. They will show you this message to connect your wallet. I recommend you to use MetaMask. And here you need to type in the password of your MetaMask wallet. And then click on unlock. Then click on connect. Next, they will show you this message, so click on confirm. Next, they will show you this message to connect your X account. Make sure to log in into your X account and then come here and click on Connect X. You will be redirected to this page, so click on Authorize App. Then you will go back to the dashboard, and if we scroll down a little bit, let me show you how to complete the first task. So click on Let's Go. You will land on this page, and if we scroll down a little bit, as you see, there are two tasks that we need to complete. Let's start with the first one, so click on Like. You will be redirected to X platform to like their post, so click on Like. And now go back to the dashboard and click on Verify. Click on More Activities and let's complete the second task, so click on Retweet. And again you will be redirected to X platform to retweet this post, so click on Repost. Now go back to the dashboard and click on Verify. Then click on Do More Missions and you will land on the dashboard again. You can complete all these tasks in the same way. Just click on Let's Go and they will show you some tasks related to their X account that you need to complete. But for now, let me show you how to complete this task. Daily check-in. Click on Let's Go. And as you see, you need to wait about 24 hours before you can check in again. Now let's complete the next task. OneFootball quiz number 9. So click on Start Quiz. They will show you this question. And the answer is the third option. Click on Let's Go. Then click on Claim Reward. Now let me show you how to complete the next task. So click on Start Quiz. They will show you this question and the answer is the second option. Click on Let's Go. And then click on Claim Reward. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about OneFootball Airdrop. Again, don't forget to log in into your account every 24 hours to check in as I showed you before. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channels. See you soon, guys. Good luck.